job. Good job over there. Hello, hello everyone. Sitting in the beautiful garden. Eating. Grayson is running. Run, Forrest, run.
Bella, hey Bella, hey Bella.
You gonna run it crossing?
Who won? Who won?
I did.
You won. Bella gotta get faster, huh?
They should bring there's a cucumber. They should have
Faster than Bella.
You faster than Bella? Hey, won't you give Grayson the vegetables so you don't have to throw? Oh my God. Well, he can go around on the other side where you are. Why are they hiding? Life? Oh, you can't hide behind a pole. I do believe everybody sees you. This is some silly people.
Uh-oh.
What? What you find? Oh boy.
Mommy.
Hey, cousin Shaquita. Oh my goodness. What is? That's a zucchini. That's crazy. Grayson, go get the zucchini from Daddy. You want to go right through the cover.
You gonna be able to carry it. Look like it's almost bigger than you.
Are you gonna be able to carry it? Y'all take yesterday's harvest and put it inside of the sink and then bring the harvest basket. So we can have a place to put the harvest.
I got it. Oh, that's what they hide from.
So lame!
I want to go. I want to catch up.
Don't put it on my lap! Put it right there with the rest. Right there. Hey, Julie. Mama Shaquita's on.
Hi, Shaquita. How are you?
Where's your hat?
Right there.
Put your hat on. We don't need nothing in that head tonight. You got another one that you gotta cut? You found another one? Oh, a squash. Go get the squash from Daddy. I'll take y'all to go see our new additions to the family. Monday? No, last Monday. We got some sheep. Hazel! Hazel! Come here, Samson. Hey, Hazel. Hey, Hazel. Hey, Samson. These are 2 goats. Mommy don't have anything for you right now, honey. Mommy don't have anything for you right now. Your horns itch. Your horns itch. Yes, baby. Yes, this is Pablo and Cotton. Hey, girl. Hey, boy. Hey, Pablo. Hey, Cotton. Hey, honey. Say hey, baby. Say hi. Say hi, Samson. No, don't chew my cord. Say hi. You gonna do a bat? You gonna do one bat for mommy? You gonna do one bat for mommy? Huh? So we got the Cotton and Pablo on Monday. We've been had these 2 cutie patooties since they was babies. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Hey, Hazel. Hey, Hazeltine. Oh, Mr. Brutus is over here cock-a-doodle-dooing. Yes, sweetie. Go, 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 go. Go, go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Granny needs the harvest basket. Take the harvest. Yeah, to Granny. Put the harvest inside the basket though for her. Hey, Turkisha. What's up, Turkisha? That's Turkisha. That's the turkey, the big turkey of the land. Here goes, where's Mr. Brutus? That's Mr. Brutus right here with the gold neck right here. This one. Yeah, I can't stand him. He's gonna be the first one for dinner. Oh, hush. Hush. Jackaroo? That's Jackaroo? That's Grayson's chicken, Jackaroo. Point to him. I don't know which one you pointed to. They all look alike to me. Oh, okay. I don't even know how you know the difference. Hey, Cherie, yeah, we're in Illinois. We live in Illinois. Now, I had to get out of California, honey. That place was a mess. It couldn't grow anything. It was always so hot. And we had to get out of there. It's a perfect weather since we've been here, so hallelujah to that. Yeah, Turkisha. Yes, Turkisha. It was the first thing that came to my mind when I saw her. I was like, oh yes, Turkisha. It is not a boy. It's not a boy until it's not a boy. Well then, huh? Turkishan then. If it's a boy, Turkishan. Turkishan. Turkishan.